Alright, so now this video is in reference to what happened recently in West Bengal in Calcutta, where a senior doctor was raped and thereafter murdered in an enclosed area where she was resting in the wee hours of late night or early morning. I think 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, that's what the post-mortem report says. And there has been a lot of hue and cry, and obviously so, because we have to do something about it. Now there are two things we have to remember. A lot of people are writing and commenting that system should change, boys should be taught in a way, people should become more cultured. Everything is right, absolutely correct. Boys should be taught or educated to respect women and not take advantage. Everything is fine. The administration should deliver justice fast. People should be, hung. Everything is fine. But that is our concern. It's a big concern. But what we can do, we should not avoid that. I don't expect you to be a good guy. Don't do this. तुम्हारे घर में माँ बहन नहीं है? तुम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? I don't have to tell him what he has to do. I have to tell myself what I can do. What he has to do is a long period. We haven't evolved in thousands of years. I don't know when are we going to evolve. And even if we do, crime always happens. It has happened in various parts of the world, and it will also happen here. Okay. So now, what is that we need to do? We are going to talk about that. So the first thing is be prepped. Now, when I say be prepped, the first part of being prepped is be situationally aware. Situational awareness का मतलब ये होता है कि मुझे पता मैं कहाँ हूँ, यहाँ से डोर कितनी दूर है, इधर से कोई जाने का रास्ता है कि नहीं है, मेरे पास क्या चीज़ है जिसको मैं एज अ जस्ट इन केस आई कैन यूज़, मे बी पीने का पानी है कि नहीं है, मे बी यहाँ पे मेरे पास कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जिसको अगर कोई बाई चांस मेरे पे अटैक करे तो आई कैन सर्वाइव, मे बी लाइक अ वाटर बॉटल, अ डेस्क, फर्नीचर, व्हाटएवर. ओके, सो पहली चीज़ है सिचुएशनल अवेयरनेस. दूसरी चीज़ है you must carry something which can save your life. Now what does it mean? It could be a knife. First thing is a pocket knife, legal to carry, and if it can save your life, don't get into legality and illegality. Just use it. I'm not asking you to use a cleaver या तलवार या कोई खंजर, but a pocket knife which can save your life. It's a pocket knife, 2.5 inches blade, 4 इंच तक के blade इंडिया में permitted है, आप 2.5 इंच तक का blade use कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? It should be one hand usable. You should not need two hands to open it. Because let's say come towards me, attack me, so I should be able to open it with one hand.
Correct.
If it requires two hands,
then you are already vulnerable.
Okay, yeah. So this is one thing you can carry. Correct. And when you carry, उसको ऐसी जगह में carry करें कि you can draw it easily. Especially for women, they carry bags, है ना?
तो ढूंढते रह जाएंगे, keep finding.
Yes. So आप बैग में भी अगर रखते हो तो उसकी एक जगह होनी चाहिए कि आपको पता है कि उस पॉकेट के अंदर मेरा पेपर स्प्रे है या नाइफ है. Another thing, जैसे आद्रिता, she is a school student. No, on the video. तो वो school student है, तो she can carry a pen. Okay, a pen like this. This can also save your life. Now I'll show you how these things you can use. Okay, and this was the second part. The first part was situational awareness. Second part was being ready, prepped, carrying something which can save your life. Now we're going to part 3. Part 3 is the अलग-अलग situation के अंदर what should be the response. So this is a tactical pen. This is aircraft grade aluminum. Okay. It has got these ridges to give you a nice grip.
Okay.
And it is sharp. This side also you can break glass. Feel it?
Correct. Yeah.
And then of course this part. Okay.
They are particularly for you.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's do the drill. Come here with me. You're right. You put your left leg or right leg, which in the front? Right leg. Okay. Now the pen, front leg, front hand. You're leaning too much forward.
Yeah, you did so.
Here. That's your position. Okay. Now, hey. Now when you have to hit him in the face, don't do this, because if you do this, you're opening yourself.
Okay.
So go.
Okay.
So go. See like this. One. Go one. Yes, that's easy. 2. 1. So. Okay, keep it here. It's like jabbing, and with the other hand you guard your face. So hey, don't come close to me. I jab him in his face. He bleeds somewhere. He's in a lot of pain, agony. Part 3 is, come here. We'll use you so that, because just to paint the real sort of a situation. Now, what this guy on and
हाँ सर.
now what this guy probably did not come here. So what he did was he pushed this girl, and the postmortem shows that. See, I have not seen the real scene of crime or whatever. I can only speculate. मैं सिर्फ सोच सकता हूँ, मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूँ, but हो सकता है वहाँ ना हुआ और कहीं भी हो सकता है. So what he did, he pushed the girl and smeared her face against the wall. और ऐसे नहीं किया होगा उसने, करके जोर से मारा होगा. तो उसका जॉ पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में ये जॉ टूटी हुई थी. ठीक है, मतलब जब पुश किया होगा ऐसे करके इस तरीके से दीवार के, जब वो भागने की कोशिश कर रही होगी. नाउ व्हाट इज टू बी डन इन दिस सिनेरियो is very important. Now what would you do when I push you against
I
here?
would hit you under the.
But then I have
With the
your
knee, with the
vulnerable
knee.
here. See now.
I can do
See now.
that.
And
If
then I have the
practice.
other hand ready.
Yeah.
Now,
You'll choke
now,
me with the
okay.
other hand.
Now remember this point. Your intent is not to hit the aggressor.
Not
Your
to save
intent is to
yourself.
save yourself first. Hitting is secondary.
Correct.
Push me against the wall. So what did I do when he pushes me here? His one hand is here. Let's say he's trying to push me against the wall. Now I'm not trying to hit him, okay?
No.
Because I am already pressed against the wall.
And you are already.
The pain is here. So what I do is I lift my hand, which is close to his hand, and I go up like that, and you see that? So go fast now. Now I can hit him back. So I did two things. First, what I did was slow. So he pushes me here. My knee is not reaching. My kick is also. Maybe with a lot of years of practice, I can try and do something here.
No.
But again,
that makes sense.
I have to protect because my neck is strong.
Correct.
A person who's never worked out in his life, it will be like this.
Correct. The
So
way
what I do
was-
is I lift my hand here,
Correct.
go over the wrist joint here and bring it down here. Now I have half a second. Now when I do this, now he'll try and remove his hand, or again push me here. I go here, boom, hit him in the face, push him,
And then.
get out of that place. I'll try and explain a point here. Now once the hand is there, wait, just go against the wall.
Do practice.
Now पहली चीज जो है, your hand is bent. If the hand is bent, the pressure is not flowing in a straight line, like a pipe. Keep it straight. Now go up. Keep it straight. Now with your right hand, touch the wall. Turn and touch. Don't bend it. No, from below. From below. Yes, like that. Okay. पकड़ लो. बहुत slow है. Go. हाँ ऐसे. Go again. Go again. So I'm only doing this. चिमटा होता है ना रोटी उठाने वाला, उसकी अगर दोनों डंडी बराबर नहीं होंगी तब रोटी नहीं उठा सकते. फोरसेप जो होता है अगर उसका एक क्या बोलते हैं वो पार्ट छोटा है तो वो होगा नहीं काम. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज सी. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, वहाँ भी हम यही कर रहे हैं. तो मैं अभी देखो जस्ट सी दिस कॉन्सेप्ट नाउ. व्हेन ही ग्रैब्स माय नेक, नाउ सी इतना छोटा हो गया एक दूसरे से. All I've done is now with practice, let's say you get into a fight like this. Go. All I'm doing is I'm using the back of my hand here into his groin, and जब वो groin पीछे जाएगी तो मुंह आ गया, and then I hit him here, push him, and then I go out. Got it? Okay. Me go. Now he has lesser range. He can only grab my hand.
Your body is.
I am creating a distance between him and me. So one option is, it's not an option, it's the wrong thing to do. One is that he attacks, I go. I close myself. Now what happens when I close? Now see. जैसे मैं अटैक करूँ और इसने बॉडी क्लोज कर ली तो क्या होगा? I can go closer
Correct.
and I can hit him. Okay, I can push his, I can do a lot of things. Now his hands are arrested. Versus when he comes towards me, I go. I create distance. I'm keeping my hand away. Now when I keep my hand away, I can use my leg because I have the range. So it's called, अगर आपको कोई घेरने की कोशिश करे, कोने में ले जाने की कोशिश करे, so the one good thing to do is that when he does it, keep your hands up. All right? Now मेरा हाथ पकड़ने की कोशिश करना. Now your hands are volatile. They should move all the time. You should not go like this.
Okay.
Even if you go like this, now देखो उसने मेरे हाथ पकड़ लिए ना, वो अपने हाथ यूज कर सकता है अभी ना मैं. Same situation है.
Correct.
Is it not? Can he do anything with this hand or this hand? No. So now I can kick him. Now I can kick him if I know how to kick. If I don't know how to kick, then don't give your hands to him. And it's called Retsev in Krav Maga, that continue to attack.